Do you see a role for India, given its relationship with both Ukraine and Russia?
Definitely. And here's where we come. You might know that I'm a great admirer of India, and I think India will be our next superpower, right up there with the United States and with China.
There's a lot of pressure on India to stop buying Russian oil, and the US president has in fact imposed 25% punitive tariffs on India for doing that, when the fact is that China is the biggest buyer of Russian oil and Europe has been buying Russian energy. Would you say that it's unfair to single India out?
I won't take issue with that, because this is a decision that India does all by itself. It's a big player, it's an independent actor, and it decides what's best for its foreign policy. What I will say is that the things that used to bring us together are now used to tear us apart.
So you agree that it's unfair to target India?
I think India is not the only one to blame.
The tariffs on China have in fact been reduced by 10% in the last week.
Again, I come from a small country which believes in free trade, which believes in international institutions and norms.